So it's been a while. I've been compiling footage for our exterior home makeover for probably about 6 months. We started this project right around the time when the pandemic hit, so early spring, and we had tons of free time on our hands, so we took on a lot of big projects. But then I went back to work and back to school, and I never did anything with that footage. The original plan, I wanted to have a kind of early spring video and then an update video at the end of the summer, but here you go, all in one video. I didn't have time to do 2 different videos. So we've got, from start to finish, all of the things that we've done to our yard thus far, and I hope you enjoy it. This is what our yard looked like when we moved in. There's basically just grass, nothing else more. The back section just had a little stone pathway, rain barrel. So the first thing we decided to do was build a fence to section off the back from the front. And we did a simple lattice fence to keep it kind of more so a privacy shield than an actual fence. We wanted a vegetable garden, so we built a raised bed. So this is kind of the first step. So this is the backyard before. It's just a mud pit. Nothing was growing there. We got bulk gravel and bulk soil to deal with this big project. So we started digging out all the grass to lay a patio. We put some landscape fabric down to prevent any weeds from growing up. Not that anything really grows back there anyway. The siding was also in need of huge amount of work. All the fascia and soffit was also peeling. So we painted it all with a sort of similar color to what was already there, just a little bit warmer. Then the digging started. So we dug up flower beds, we dug up spots to put all of our shrubs and trees, and we put in some boxwoods and some cedars. We also transplanted some of our grass. Then we started putting in the perennials. So this was the first after picture, basically. So this is what it looked like after we had done all of our original spring planting. Now this is the after. So this is just recently. I took this footage maybe a week ago in July, and all of our flowers are blooming, all of our veggies are growing. We've got zinnias, we've got tomatoes, we've got cucumbers, beans. We've got lots of stuff going on now that it's full-blown summer. So even from early spring to now, it's completely changed. We have some irises, and you can see just the little baby plants that were planted, and you'll see soon how much they've grown and how much our garden has progressed. So this is where it kind of started off with, and this is more recent. So we've got some Gara, and we've got, the progression of the garden still. This is still fairly early days, so this is when the irises were blooming. So this is early spring. And now this is full-on summer, so we've got black-eyed Susans, we've got some crocosmia, some morning glory, just taking over the fence. So the backyard started off, again, blank slate, well, what we call the backyard. And this is it sort of late spring, so after we've done some planting and put in some furniture and some decor pieces. And then this is full on summer, so you can see our morning glories. We also added this black steel arbor because the morning glories needed somewhere to go. And then this is the deck beforehand, so it was really in poor shape. And again, this is sort of early spring, and we have our fire pit there, and we've got some trellises with ivy growing up. So again, this is the very, very before. There was no separation of the yard. And then this is the early spring shot, so things have even changed since then. And then this is the late summer shot. So we have a hammock now and some more furniture. So that was it. That was everything, start to finish, from plain yard to backyard oasis. That's where we're at right now. A lot of that stuff I did from seed, and I'll be adding more to it this fall and next spring. I've got some interesting bulbs on the way that I've ordered, so that's exciting. And if you want to see more content, subscribe. If you liked this video, like it. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @RobbieRoseLife. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again.